Welcome to the CompTIA A Plus training video series. This is part one of the series. This series is for anybody who is studying for CompTIA A Plus, whether a student or if you're just somebody that wants to understand more about computing or hardware or networking, or anybody that's starting a career in IT. So with that said, let's begin. Question 21. Which fact about floppy drive is not true? A. IBM invented the floppy disk drive. B. There's a switch on the floppy disk drive which controls write protection. C. Magnets can cause you to lose data on the floppy disk. D. Floppy disk is far more reliable than flash storage. The answer is D. Floppy disk drives are far more reliable than flash storage. A. Overclocking can reduce the lifespan of the component. B. Overclocking can reduce the system's stability. C. Overclocking can increase the system's temperature. D. Overclocking is guaranteed to double the system's performance. The answer is D. Overclocking is guaranteed to double the system's performance. That is not correct. Question 23. What is the benefit of the thermal compound paste? A. It stops the heatsink from falling off the processor. B. It prevents the processor from burning up. C. It creates better contact between the chip and the surface area of the heatsink. D. It helps only if you have a copper-plated heatsink. The answer is C. It creates better contact between the chip and the surface of the heatsink. Question 24. Thomas has installed a heatsink on his processor, but has forgotten to apply thermal paste. What's likely to happen when he powers on his computer? A. The computer will overheat and stop working, and this will pose a high risk to other components. B. The computer will not start up without the compound. C. The processor temperature would only be slightly higher, but the system would still work as intended. D. You risk the computer catching on fire. The answer is C. The processor temperature will be slightly higher, but the system will still work as intended. Question 25. Which of the following interfaces allows both the video card and audio data to be sent through a single cable? A. DVI. B. HDMI. C. VGA. D. S-Video. The answer is B. HDMI. For my students that are serious about passing their CompTIA A+ exam, I've put together a full comprehensive training guide. In this guide there is hundreds and hundreds of sample exam papers full of explanations, questions and answers to anything computer hardware related and CompTIA related. I guarantee you, if you go through this training program, you will pass the very first time. Only today, I'm offering a 50% discount. So this is a limited time offer only. You could download this training guide, this comprehensive training guide from CompTIAdumps.co.uk. CompTIAdumps.co.uk. Simply go to that website, download the material, and I guarantee you, read through it. It will explain everything from A to Z, CompTIA related, and you will pass. So, once again, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.